Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic and the topic name is adjective. In adjective, today we shall study degree of comparison. So we have 3 degree in adjective, that is first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree and the third one is what? Superlative degree. So one by one we shall try to understand. At first we have positive degree. So what is this? When we simply mention the quality of someone or something, it can be considered as what? The positive degree. So how we can define it? It is the form of adjective that is used to simply mention the quality of someone or something. In short, you can understand, in positive degree we don't do comparison. Here we only mention some quality of person or thing. Alright? For example, if I say Ram is tall, that means we are talking about the quality of Ram. So what is here positive degree? Tall. Next example, the girl is beautiful. What is the quality here? Beautiful. So beautiful word is reflecting here positive degree. Now come to the comparative degree. It is the form of adjective that denotes a higher degree of quality and compares two things which have more or less of the same quality. In short, in simple words, you can understand, in comparative degree, we compare two things. For example, Sita is more beautiful than Geeta. Alright? Here we are comparing. Once again, listen the sentence. Sita is more beautiful than Geeta. Alright? So here what we are doing? Here we are doing comparison between Sita and Geeta. Similarly, we can take another example. Ram is stronger than Mohan. So who is more strong? Ram. Alright? So here stronger word, heavier word. These are reflecting what? The comparative degree. Now come to the another, that is we have superlative degree. So what is superlative degree? It is the form of adjective that denotes the highest degree of any quality. Alright? It reflects what? The highest degree of any quality. For example, Ram is the best boy in the class. This is the best pen. Now the question is that how to make comparative and superlative degree from positive degree. It comes in your exam. So please listen carefully. Your concept will be more clear when I shall send you PDF and you will read about it. Alright? Now come to the rule number first. What is the rule number first? By adding ER and EST respectively, that means when we shall add here ER, it will become what? Comparative degree, and when we add EST at the end of the adjective, that means at the end of positive degree, then we can make superlative degree. For example, see here, dear. We have added here ER. So it will become what? Dearer. So it is comparative degree. Now we have added here EST. So dearest. So dearest is what? Superlative degree. Similarly, deep, deeper, deepest. Long, longer, longest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Tall, taller, tallest. You can see here. Now come to the another rule. By adding R and ST. That means if we add here R, then we can make it what? Comparative degree. And when by adding ST, we can make it what? Superlative degree. But the condition is that the last letter of adjective should be E. For example, here large. What is the last letter of this positive degree? E. And that is why by adding ER we can make it comparative degree, and by adding ST we can make it what? Superlative degree. So large, larger, largest. Brave, braver, bravest. Alright. Now come to the third rule. If the last letter of adjective is consonant, alright, and just before it vowel is given, alright, so adding ER or EST, by adding ER and EST we can make it what? Comparative degree and superlative degree respectively. Remember here, one more point I have written here. Writing double letter before comparative degree and superlative degree. Yeah, of course we can change the form from positive to comparative. But when? By adding ER and EST. But we have to write double letter of the consonant also. For example, big. What is the last letter here? It is consonant, and just before it vowel is given. So when we shall change it into comparative degree, then we just write the consonant double time, and after that we shall add here ER. हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट जो है उसको डबल करेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग ER लगाएंगे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री बनाने के लिए, और डबल करने के बाद कॉन्सोनेंट हम लोग EST लगाएंगे उसको सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बनाने के लिए. ऑलराइट, सो इट इज़ व्हाट? बिग, बिगर and the biggest. Similarly, we have fat is positive degree, fatter is what? Comparative degree, and fattest is what? Superlative degree. Similarly, hot, hotter, hottest. Alright. So these are few rules that you have to write with beautiful handwriting, and after that you will revise it and try to learn it. Another rule we have, rule number 4. By adding more and most respectively, we can make comparative degree and superlative degree respectively. For example, we have beautiful word. Here the beautiful word is what? Positive degree. It is adjective and it is given in positive degree. So its comparative degree is more beautiful. What is the superlative degree? Most beautiful. Similarly, here another example you can see: difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. So this was all about today's class. You are requested to read the Hindi PDF. In Hindi, these rules are also given. So you must read. एक बार आप लोग को ये हिंदी वाला PDF भी पढ़ना है जिनको इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आया, और स्पेशली जो मैं बता रही हूँ उसे ज़रूर देखना है. जैसे यहाँ पे स्टार मार्क है तो ये आपको पढ़ना है. ऑलराइट, और इसको लिखना भी है. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, Here I have mentioned star mark that you have to also write. These are star mark, that is important points that you have to write with examples. Example में आप सारा example मत लिखिए, at least 2 or 3 examples you have to write. Similarly, here I have made star mark, so you have to also write these examples. At first read all, and whatever you find difficult to learn, that you have to write. Alright, so this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Please write it down in your fair copy. Have a nice